In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply formula to many cells in Google Sheets. We'll start from the very beginning, so even if you're new to Sheets, you'll be able to follow along. First, open your browser and head to Google's homepage. Up in the top right corner, you'll see the Google Apps icon, the small grid made of dots. Click that to open the app launcher, then select Sheets. If you don't see it right away, scroll inside the launcher or click More to reveal the full list. Sheets will open in a new tab. Once Sheets loads, choose a blank spreadsheet if you're starting fresh, or open an existing file if you already have data. Using an existing sheet is great when you want to apply a calculation down a column that already contains numbers or text. Next, click into the cell where you want your calculation to begin and type your formula. Every formula in Sheets starts with an equal sign. For example, you might add two cells, combine text, or calculate a percentage. As you type, Sheets suggests functions and shows color-coded highlights so you can confirm the right cells are included. Tip: think about relative and absolute references. Relative references like A2 will adjust as you fill the formula down, while absolute references like A2 stay locked on that exact cell. Use the dollar signs if you need a constant value throughout the column. After your formula looks good, press Enter to apply it to the first cell. Now comes the time-saving part. Select that cell again and look for the small square at its bottom right corner. That's the fill handle. Click and drag the fill handle down through the rows you want to populate. As you drag, Sheets copies the formula and automatically adjusts any relative references for each row. Release the mouse when you've reached the last row you need. Watch for the light preview that sometimes appears. It shows what will fill before you let go. If your column has a header, start your formula in the first data row so you don't overwrite the header. If you accidentally pull too far, just press undo to step back. You can also drag horizontally to copy across columns, which is helpful for multi-column calculations. That's it. You've quickly applied a formula to many cells without typing it over and over. Save your sheet, and you're ready to analyze, format, or share your results.